Hello, Hannah. Good luck sa exam mo bukas. Wow, talim island. Yan.
Huwag may nag-send ng Galaxy. Kakanta si Ate Jess ng Bubbly.
Hoy!
Wala.
Ano na lang?
What do I do for a
Universe.
living? I
Or yung lion.
survive.
Lion daw guys, kakanta si ate guys.
What do I do daw for a living?
Ano? Sleep.
Kala ko may lumabas na eh. TikTok
When is my birthday? My birthday
Lion or TikTok
December
Universe.
24.
Kakanta si ate guys.
I don't know guys, bakit ako nag-December 21? Hindi ko din alam
21
anong nangyari. Bakit December 21 yun?
Sinundulo tayo.
Alam
Pero-
ka, Ate Jess, malapit na. Nakaramdaman ko nakakanta ka na ng Bubbly.
Wag guys. Who's your nail tech? Oh, I forgot. Sa ano lang to eh. Basta sa Taguig siya. I think.
XD.
Wake up in the morning.
Pinagawa mo talaga?
Yes. Dalawa. May isa ako sa Mandaluyong, may isa din ako sa Taguig. Yung sa Mandaluyong ko, she's studying law. So, medyo busy. So, doon ako sa Taguig.
Minsan ka gumagawa niya.
Ay, really? I may ask, may question yun, pero hindi ko nakita. What's your hair color? Actually, guys, I don't know. By Hi Wiggly and something. Oh, okay, mag-send ng Galaxy, please. Hindi ko kaya kumanta ng Bubbly.
Lion guys, lion.
Hi, Elise.
Lion.
Sorry, I don't know my hair color kasi parang photo lang yung sinend. Like, ng
Kaibigan mo.
Miss Monch. Yes. So, sila.
Sila pa yung nagaganyan.
Yan.
Pag nagpapayos ka mo,
Ito,
paano?
okay. Papa.
Ako din, no?
Yes.
Ako din.
So, ito na yung hair. Pakita niyo lang if you like. I don't know how.
Kung may bala ka daw, Ate Jess, mag-podcast.
If may balak ako, it's a full commitment, guys. So, I'm taking everything one step at a time.
Step by step.
Baka ma-overwhelm ako and hindi ko siya maitawid talaga. So, sayang din naman. Hopefully, someday, that's something that I can look forward to. Mas lawakan ko muna yung, knowledge on a lot of things. Pag-iisip and understanding sa environment and everything. Pero at least I don't give random advices or like random, things. So yeah, hopefully someday that's something that I look forward to, podcast. What's your favorite color, daw, Mark?
Dalawa pa.
Guys, wag kayong mag-send ng Galaxy!
Sabi ko,
Oh my gosh, no! Oh my gosh.
Ano na lang guys, lion guys, lion.
No!
Kakantayin niya full song.
Oh my gosh, nag-send, guys, wag kayong mag-send ng Galaxy! Okay, since nag-send sila ng Galaxy, hindi tayo magpapaka-KJ. Alam niyo naman na hindi ako siya magaling kumanta. But I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna do voice lessons and everything. Ano ang start ng lyrics na? Lyrics. Sige. Auntie Lo, guys, huwag kayong mag-send na ng Galaxy, guys. Huwag kayong maniwala sa dalawang to. Please
Lion na
lang.
lang, lion.
Wag.
30 kayo.
Oh my gosh.
Wait.
Don't be scared.
Hindi daw, Bubbly.
Wait.
Simula natin.
Ano mo yung lyrics niya?
What is this? Is this Spotify?
And then I'm waiting for a while now.
I've been awake for a while now. You got me feeling like a child now. But every time I see your bubbly face,
Galing mo ka.
silly places starts in my toes, makes me crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay
ganda,
for a while now. Just take your time wherever you go. Bakit kaya nagsana Galaxy? In my window pane,
Ganda na ng boss.
we are hiding in a safe place. Guys, kaya hindi talaga ako kumakanta. Bakit kasi kayo ng Galaxy? Alam niyo naman, guys, aminado naman ako na pangit yung boses ko.
Hindi pang.
Hindi siya
Wala lang
uulan,
sa
baka
development.
babagyo, kaya stop na natin. May nag-send ng may nag-send ng Galaxy, syempre, ayoko na bin ng KJ and that's something that you spent on.
Lion na yan.
So, yun.
Lion guys, full song.
So,
Okay, maniwala. Ayoko na.
Sin kayo mo dyan.
Skincare ko, kulang po ng tulog.
Safeguard lang. Baon.
Kulang po ng tulog. Basta mag-cleanser kayo, take off all makeup. Usually, nagdo-double cleanse ako. Oil cleanse.
Sabi ko, safeguard lang.
Nag-oil
Minsan
cleansing
bioderm
ako.
nga eh.
And then, regular cleanser. Whatever works for your skin. Iba-iba din naman kasi yung skin type mo. I don't use harsh cleansers. May cleanser ako before na parang may matcha ingredient siya before. It's good if you're starting.
yung cleanser mo po?
Parang may matcha siya na ingredient. I
Hindi lang
love
akin
you.
eh.
Yeah, and then niacinamide. I always put niacinamide on my face regardless of the brand. And then hyaluronic acid is good. And then alpha-arbutin. Maganda siya if you have pigmentation. Yeah. Sino bias mag... Alam nyo guys, okay? Ano na lang. No, actually, nagpa-check na ako guys. All my results are good. I like thyroid, something levels are aligned. I don't have goiter. Yes. But I have to regularly have it checked. Because nga, it runs in her blood. Runs in my mom's side. And then nga, nagka-ano yung mom ko last year. Anyway, bias ko early si Bini, si Mika, and then record ko si Aya. But bro, after Bini,
Mika,
oh my
Aya.
gosh.
Mika,
Grabe, like
Aya.
sila lahat, hindi ko na-gets. Like, bias record ko silang lahat talaga. Si Sheena ang galing sumayaw. Para talagang, oh my God, may Michael Jackson heart. And then, sila Nicolette. Parang grabe. Hi, Rian. Napansin po kita. Hello po, Rian. Uy, wag na kayo. Guys, wag na kayo musunong Guys, hindi na talaga ako kakanta.
Lion na lang guys, lion.
Wag. Huwag kayong maniwala dito. Wag kayong
TikTok
maniwala.
universe.
Sana nahimik ka.
Ay, si Mark. Sige, send kayo ng Lion. Si Mark, maganda yung boses ni Mark.
Hindi po ako kumakanta.
Hindi, kumakanta po to. Sige,
Bakit
while
naman
waiting
tayo
for
ng
that, grabe, ang galing talaga. Ang galing nila lahat. Like, each and every one sa Beanie, sobrang galing nila. They have their own strengths, and then, grabe, parang, ay, nakaka-happy. Kayong, yung heart namin ni Rain, gusto nga namin manood ng Day 3. Pero wala kami
Ba't
ticket.
kayo nanonood ng
Wala kaming ticket na.
Paano ko nagka-ticket ng day 2?
Oh my gosh, kasi may fan na nabigyan ng ticket.
thank you.
Rain. And then, yes, fan po ako ng BTS.
Ako rin.
Yes. Jungkook is my,
Bias.
Jungkook is my bias.
Asawa mo.
Jungkook is my asawa. Ay, sorry. Ang daming nagsabi na na pila po Ate Jazz kay Jungkook. Hindi po pwede na magkiklaim ka na asawa. Sobrang dami ko pong kaaway kay Jungkook. And I respect that. So, pipila po tayo kay
Gusto ko
Jungkook.
lang BTS.
Nasa, military service. Yung iba. Jungkook lalabas June pa.
Since
Yes. Since this year. Si Jungkook. Tama ba guys? This year si Jungkook. Wow, Jessa Mendoza. Crush ka daw niya.
Hi po, Jessa Mendoza. I love you.
Pass the mic to Mark. Sige. Sige, send muna kayo ng Galaxy para kakanta si Mark.
Kung kakantahin ko na naman, May nagsenda po, okay na. Kakanta tayo kahit walang mic. Magbigay lang kayo ng song.
Oo, tama po.
Sasabayan po ko ni
Yes.
Ate Jazz. Sinong condition?
Yeah. Hindi po. Yes, tama. Pipila po tayo kay Jungkook. Malayo-layo na po yung pila ko kasi ang dami natin. Parang... feeling ko.
Heaven knows daw, Ate Jazz, pero sasabayan mo ako.
Ay, hindi. Ikaw lang. Si Mark lang, guys. Baka umulan. Uuwi pa tayo.
Sinisipon po ako eh.
Yes, I'm a Swiftie. Ah! Palagi daw.
Ang sabi mo ka, Jess. Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man. Nais mong malaman mo. Iyo ako. Ayan. Spider-Man. Inubo po ako, hindi ko kaya ng mataas masyado. So yun lang.
Favorite ko ang pan na Boy in Love. I hope again. Na, na, na.
Ikaw ay tila. Ang galing ko daw mag-spoken
You'll
poetry.
be safe here.
Ano yun?
You'll be safe there.
Hindi.
Ba yun?
Baba.
Kay Arthur Neri yun.
Sorry.
Kay Arthur Neri talaga yun.
Even Maya or ka Adi na version. Ganda ng music video na yun.
Ano lyrics nun?
Comfort song ko talaga yun. Naalala ko guys, last year,
You'll be
sobrang
safe.
busy ko sa
Yun ba yun?
work. Yeah.
Hindi ko kabisado yun eh.
Die with a
From which
smile
you
daw.
were. Hindi ko yun kaya.
Ano nga? Kinanda mo?
You'll be safe here.
So, kinanta niya Can't Buy Me Love, yung kay Don Bell, di ba? And then, kasi nanonood ako, and then parang na-remember ko, sobrang pagod na pagod ako sa work. Kasi, di ba, I work as an account manager. And sobrang
daw, Ate Jess.
busy. And hindi ako kumakanta. And then, yun talaga yung comfort song ko. Nung time na yun, before. Yeah.
So romantic, baby.
Yan, tapos any BTS. Pero kasi ang galing, and then I think si Bella Padilla yung direct ng music video na yun. Kay Adi. Na version. Lover. It's my favorite. I wanna see you happy. Kantahin mo daw.
Cause I wanna
Hindi.
see you happy.
Kantahin niyo muna. Kantahin
Kantahin niyo dyan.
Yung before sleeping in the evening.
I still can't believe you're leaving. Can wrap my head around this feeling. Did I give you no meaning? All the memories and times
That I spent with you. Pinaparandomantik ako pero ang Mark Bali ang spelling.
Alam, patay kayo. Nakalimutan ko, may
Sipo
tanong
kasi.
kanina. Oy, Leaves by Ben and Ben. I love that song. Ano din, my favorite song ako ng... Ano nga yung title na yun? Yung...
Sa akin ka lang.
Ay, wala akong lippy ngayon. Wala na.
Kinakaga.
Wala akong lippy ngayon. Yes. Nakakalimutan ko na may sasabihin pala ako.
Kaya na po.
Ako na. Okay.
It's your time to
Bye, everybody.
Bye, guys!
Bye,
I love
guys.
you
I
all.
will leave na. Bye-bye, bye-bye. I love you. Good night.
Bye-bye,
Patulog na
Thank
kayo.
you
Good luck
po
sa lahat ng exam.
Galaxy,
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Tricycle, sa
Allah, patay.
heart, sa lahat.
Bye-bye. Thank you. All the love. Spread love. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.
Thank you sa bear.